Hey Dog Bros, Josh from DigiWiff here and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to go over how you can get more reviews on Google using our review request feature. And so to jump right in, I am in my Clicks account here and we are going to go down to settings and then we are going to go to our integrations. The first thing we need to do is make sure that our Google business page is connected. And once we've done that, we can go back to reputation management. You're generally going to be selecting your Google link here, and this will be the link that is connected to your Google business account. So if someone were to go to it, we would see that a review request would pop up immediately. Now, what we're going to want to do is make sure that we turn on our email review requests. We need to put a subject line. We're going to decide how soon we want to send it. And then we want to decide if we want to repeat sending it until a review is actually given. So we definitely don't want to be annoying here. And so we might say, send it every week and maybe try 3 times before we give up. We can then go ahead and open our email builder, and then we can go ahead and customize our email. So we might say something like, hi. We can then find our custom values. So we can go to our 3 dots, find our custom values, contact, first name. We can put in our messaging, and then we can go ahead and put in a button to say, leave a review, or maybe you put in another button below, leave us feedback in case they have something negative to say. Now, once we've completed our email here, we can go ahead and save it, and then we can send a review request manually. That is one way of sending a review request. Another way is to automatically send review requests. So what you could go ahead and do is, let's say that when they are moved to graduated, and another way of sending review requests is by sending it automatically. And so, for example, we might want to send a review request when someone is moved into our graduated stage. So what we can go ahead and do is go into our automations and find our graduated automation, and then we can have a review request be part of the sequence here. This can also happen after your classes, or you can have it done manually as well just by tagging someone. So you can see that we have an automation here that could be, if someone is tagged review, send them a review request. So those are a few different ways that we can send review requests. I would really recommend putting something together here and actually using this feature, as reviews can really skyrocket your business if you're staying consistent. And so in the next lesson, we are going to go over email marketing and how you can start creating an email list and engaging with your clients and potential clients.